warning for northeastern Elkhart County, Indiana, western La Grange County in northeastern Indiana until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bristol or near Elkhart, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Elkhart, Dunlap, Middlebury, Bristol, Topeka, Shipshewana, Hunterville, and Emma. This includes Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 95 and 104. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart and La Grange. This is a special